Hi there. Are you tired of spending countless hours creating content or managing data in Google Sheets? Do you find it frustrating to switch between different apps just to get your work done? If so, I have a solution for you. Before we dive in, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot. Today, I want to introduce you to an incredible tool called Sheetmagic. Sheetmagic is an amazing tool that brings the power of ChatGPT right into Google Sheets. It allows you to create bulk AI content and automate your workflow in one place. No more tedious manual tasks. Let's explore some of the fantastic features of Sheetmagic. First, it enables you to use AI directly within your spreadsheets. You can generate text and images quickly without leaving Google Sheets. Just type a simple formula, and you can harness the power of ChatGPT for all your content needs. Another great feature is the ability to scrape the web. You can gather information from websites and search engines effortlessly. This helps you create content or analyze trends without any coding required. It is perfect for anyone, regardless of their technical background. With Sheetmagic, you can also link cells in your AI prompts. This means you can connect your existing data with AI-generated content. You can create tailored responses based on specific data points, saving you time and effort. This tool is built for teams and works in all languages, making it a great fit for users worldwide. Plus, there are zero markups, which ensures that you only pay for what you use. Here are some additional important features. Unlimited usage allows you to create as much content as you need. You can generate both AI text and images side by side. Summarize and analyze large data sets with ease. Clean up lists and extract key information quickly. Now let's talk about pricing. Sheetmagic offers a lifetime deal at AppSumo that is quite appealing. For a one-time payment of $69, you can get a single user license that provides access to all features and unlimited AI content creation. If you need more user licenses, there are options available as well. For example, purchasing 2 codes for $138 gives you 5 user licenses. A purchase of 3 codes for $207 allows up to 15 users. In my opinion, these deals are worth it. They save you money in the long run by giving you access to unlimited features without any recurring fees. To sum it all up, Sheetmagic is the perfect solution for anyone struggling with content creation and data management in Google Sheets. It simplifies your work and increases productivity with ease. Thank you for listening. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more great updates. Have a wonderful day.